everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to share with you very amazing interesting thing, that is how we can describe our favorite meal. For example, that many people want to express their thoughts, feelings, emotions. They want to express many things, but they don't know how to express their things. So I also wanted to express many things to learn this language. We all know how much English is important. So this is the main reason we all want to learn this language. We all want to be fluent in English because it is used everywhere. And without learning this language, we can't suffer in this world. I mean to say that if we want to earn money, or if we want to earn a good job, if we want to earn education, so this language is used everywhere. Sometimes this language is used little bit, sometimes intermediate level, and sometimes most highly recommended to learn this language. You know that English is most important language to suffer in this world. Wherever you go, you have to speak a little bit English. You have some knowledge about the English. So I think this is very beautiful language and I love to learn this language. And that is the main reason I am fascinating towards this language. So today in this video, I am going to share with you how you can describe your favorite meal. The thing is, I remember very much that when I was learning this language, I used to express everything. The thing is, I wanted to express everything, whatever surrounded by me, I wanted to express everything. That is the main reason. Actually, the thing is, when we start speaking, when it comes to speaking, we start expressing our thoughts, we start expressing anything surrounded by us. Many of people, many of teacher, mentor, everyone says that initially you have to speak the thing surrounded by you. So I started doing this. The thing is, so I wanted to share express my thoughts, how to describe my favorite meal, or I was always curious about this language. I always wanted to learn this language because I was fascinating towards this language and I'm still fond of to speak in English. So that is the main reason I am speaking, or I am giving you the best tip to learn this language. So in this video, I am going to share with you how you can describe your favorite meal in English. If you want to express your thought, if you have something that you want to express your thoughts, if you want to express anything, you can watch this video or you can go my playlist. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can describe your favorite meal. Well, my favorite meal is curry chawal. Please write in the comment box who likes curry chawal. Well, I know it, many of you like it so much. You must have heard about the curry chawal. Curry chawal is absolutely my favorite dish and it's a classic dish of India. And as you know that I live in Delhi, so I like it so much. And curry chawal holds a special place in my heart. So let me tell you why I am fond of having curry chawal. So first, let's talk about the curry. The base of curry is made from creamy yogurt, which gives us tangy and slightly sour flavor. And to make the curry, we have to mix yogurt with the besan, gram flour, and then we add some spices like turmeric, red chili, cumin seeds, and we cook until it thickens into rich and velvety sauce. And the best thing is, when I make curry, the aroma fills the kitchen when curry cooks on the stoves. I like it to have curry. I like it to make curry. I like it. I am fond of having curry chawal. Now let's talk about the rice. Rice is the perfect match with curry because without having rice, I don't like it curry. Curry chawal is the perfect match, and I love the fluffy grains soaked up with the curry, creamy curry, and it's create a blend of texture and flavor in every bite. One of the best thing about the curry chawal is I like to add some veggie pakoda for extra flavor and texture. And another reason why I like it so much to have the curry chawal, because it reminds me that this is the home cooked meal and family gathering. So whenever my mom or I make curry chawal, the curry chawal aroma filled the kitchen, and I was unable to control myself. I can't handle myself. I start tempting towards the curry chawal, and as I told you, I am fond of having curry chawal. Looking my expression, you can understand how much I love it to have this meal, this food, this dish. I love it so much. And the best thing is sitting down with the curry chawal plate along with my family. This thing makes my day amazing, awesome. So finally, in conclusion, curry chawal is more than just a meal for me. It is the source of my comfort, happiness. Whenever I have the curry chawal, it is like a reminder. Every bite reminds me about my family, about my home. I am craving towards the curry chawal. Actually, I am prone to curry chawal. So finally, curry chawal is always there to satisfy my cravings and warm my heart. So as you saw guys, I have expressed my thoughts about my favorite meal, which is curry chawal. If you liked it, you can also express your thoughts in English to learn this language. If you are serious about to learn this language. English is a very beautiful language. I love it so much, and I'm fascinated towards to learn this language. That is the main reason I learned it. If you like it, please write in the comment box. What do you think? Do you like to express in your way? If you don't have any idea, please write in the comment box so that I can help you to express your things. I hope this video was helpful for you. And the most important thing I would like to share with you, if you make your vlogs, your YouTube video, you can use my video to make your vlogs, to write something if you are interested to learn this language. So if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.